spontaneous, off-the-cuff things. I literally have no idea what's going to happen here, but let me explain. Yesterday, on Facebook, to which all of you out there in Electric Larry Land should be subscribed, one of my peoples, I call her Boots in order to protect her privacy online, said, "Hey, have you tried the ginger ale with lemonade in it?" I had to say, well, no, I have not. Well, today we shall rectify that. Ah, God damn it. Okay. Ginger ale, lemonade. Now, as some of you know, I am on a weight loss program, so this ought to be interesting because I really can't drink this. So, here we go. I don't know. It's not bad, but I really do look for ginger, strong ginger in the ginger ale. I can see why people would like it, though. However, I literally cannot drink this because if I want the weight gone, I cannot do any serious cheating. I mean, seriously, even on my cheat days, I'm pretty much eating the same amount of calories. I'm just eating slightly different composition. The hell kind of cheating is that, huh? All right, so there you go. I have tried it. I can see why other people like it. I don't hate it, but not exactly my thing. So, God, how am I going to do this? What was I thinking? All right. So, next to somebody else's bottles of ginger ale is now an 11-pack of more ginger ale for you. So, stopped in at Walmart to get something, and I was thirsty, so I went to a soda machine, and thought, what the heck, let's get a drink. Put 50 cents in, asked for a water. What did I get? Sprite. Okay, Walmart, you're not quite there, but I think you're on the right track. Here's the thing. If I put 50 more cents in, and I order a Sprite, then I want a Guinness to come out of that. Do you hear me? No Sprite. Guinness. Get it done. However, I can't drink this, so there's really only one solution. Oh my goodness. Is that the ginger ale and lemonade from yesterday? Why, I think it is. I think what we need to do here is just very carefully hide the can in there and then put the rest of them back and wait for entertainment to ensue. See, this is why I edit videos, that way y'all don't see this failure in action. You see, even from a certain angle, the cans look pretty much alike. So I'm expecting shenanigans when she goes for a delicious dip of ginger ale and lemonade, instead ends up with lemon lime greatness. I don't know. We'll have to see. Oh, hell, I forgot what shelf I got it from. This is arm's reach, but there's stuff back there. I don't think, gotta be careful here, that is what happened. So we're gonna go ahead and set this down here on the hope that she won't remember. Okay, remember, nobody tell Boots what we did here, okay? I want hilarity to ensue at some point. Either that or I expect to be charged like a friggin' Tomahawk missile in the parking lot and have the shit beaten out of me. Either way could be viewed as success. We'll find out. Starbucks coffee mugs. There is it, $8.94. More of them for $8.94. Are you people out of your fucking minds? Nearly $10 for a friggin' coffee mug? What is your damage? Okay, so for the last thing, little tea. How'd this come about? Well, I'd mentioned on Facebook that I really don't care for tea because it just tastes like boiled weeds. And I've been making other jokes about weeds recently too. Well, Katz came to me and she said, you know what? I have just the stuff. It is both sweet and spicy. I have to tell you, that smells pretty good so far. But let's take a minute and see exactly how we made this. So let's go ahead and give a little sip here. You can see it's steaming, only because it's like 30 something out here in the garage. All right. It's good. Sweet, spicy, definitely reduces the boiled weed effect. And by the way, you can pick this stuff up at your local grocer, or don't tell Boots or Cats, but it's also available for all of us peasants at Walmart too. Good. But the question is, can we improve it? And I think we can. Just using a little bit of fusion cooking, I think will do it. Time to bring out some of my Slavic roots here and see what happens. Woof. So, let's see what happens. Ay, kurva, bliat. Woof. Good stuff. Yes, I think we've improved even upon the unimprovable tea. And all it took was a little Slavic ingenuity. Well, kids, that's it. In case Boots and Cats are still talking to me after this video, love both of you. And well, if you like this video, go ahead, subscribe, hit me up on Facebook. Come on, people. Social media contacts, get on it. And we'll see you all later. JD, out.